Is splitting your purchase the new way to shop? Ever stare longingly at an item just outside your budget? Maybe it's a new gadget, a designer outfit, or that perfect home decor piece. We've all been there, forced to choose between instant gratification and responsible spending. But what if there was a way to bridge the gap? Enter the world of buy now, pay later, BNPL, services, and specifically, ZipPay. Now, the name might suggest splitting your purchase into 6 payments, but is that really the case? Let's dive deep into ZipPay and see if it offers the magical 6-part solution to your shopping woes. First things first, ZipPay does offer a way to split your purchases into installments. Here's the catch, it's not always 6. ZipPay actually operates on a 4-part system. They split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments spread over 6 weeks. So, why the confusion? Well, ZipPay used to be known as Quad Pay, which literally translates to 4 payments. While they've rebranded, the core functionality remains the same. 4 payments might seem limiting compared to the promised 6, but here's the upside, those installments are completely interest-free. There's no hidden gotcha or surprise fees as long as you stay on top of your payments. But wait, isn't there a monthly account fee? Yes, there is a $9.95 monthly fee, but here's the good news, it's waivable. ZipPay automatically waives the fee if you repay your entire statement balance by the due date. Now, if you're a responsible shopper who can manage repayments within the 6-week window, ZipPay can be a great way to manage your budget and snag that item you've been eyeing. However, it's important to remember that BNPL services are not without risks. The ease of splitting payments can lead to overspending, especially if you're juggling multiple BNPL accounts. Here's the golden rule, only use ZipPay for purchases you can genuinely afford within the repayment period. Don't fall into the trap of stretching your budget thin in the pursuit of instant gratification. Beyond the 4, exploring ZipPay's flexibility. While the core offering is 4 interest-free installments, ZipPay does offer some flexibility. For larger purchases exceeding your credit limit, they have a Zip Money option with longer repayment terms, but be aware, interest rates apply. The bottom line, is ZipPay right for you? ZipPay can be a handy tool for responsible budgeting, but it's not a magic solution. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Upsides, interest-free payments, manageable repayment window, waived monthly fee for on-time payments. Downsides, limited to 4 installments for smaller purchases, potential for overspending, monthly fee applies if not repaid in full. Ultimately, ZipPay is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the user. If you're a disciplined shopper who can manage repayments within the time frame, ZipPay can be a great way to ease the burden on your wallet. However, if you struggle with impulse purchases or managing multiple financial commitments, BNPL services like ZipPay might not be the best fit. Remember, always prioritize responsible spending and never spend more than you can afford to repay. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.